Microsoft Skype for Business Video Honest review. Watch before using. Most people get business video conferencing wrong. They assume all platforms are equal. The surprising truth about Microsoft Skype for Business is that it integrates deeply with Office 365, offers enterprise-level security, and you won't believe how many productivity features are built and that go beyond just video calls. Here's how it works. Skype for Business allows users to schedule, host, and join meetings directly from Outlook. Collaborate in real time with screen sharing, whiteboards, and file integration, and record meetings for later review. Its security protocols ensure that all communications are encrypted, which is crucial for corporate environments handling sensitive data. For example, a company holding a quarterly strategy meeting can allow participants to share documents live, annotate slides, and record the discussion, so absent team members can catch up later. Most people get this wrong. They think video conferencing is just about face-to-face meetings, but Skype for Business is built for collaboration, compliance, and productivity. Additional features include instant messaging, presence indicators, integration with Teams, and enterprise-level admin controls. Users praise its reliability, integration with Microsoft apps, and security standards. However, there are considerations. Skype for Business is gradually being phased out in favor of Microsoft Teams. Some new users might want to consider Teams as the long-term solution. Most people assume Skype for Business is outdated. While that's partially true, its robust enterprise features still make it a solid choice for many businesses. In conclusion, Skype for Business is ideal for companies already embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, looking for secure, integrated, and productive video conferencing. Subscribe for more honest reviews of business software and productivity tools.